Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using this service. In this video, we're taking a closer look at United Credit Solution, a company specializing in credit repair. Their website, located at www.unitedcreditsolution.com, offers a range of services designed to help individuals improve their credit scores. Navigating the site, you'll find detailed information about their process, which typically involves analyzing your credit report for inaccuracies and disputing any errors with the credit bureaus. They emphasize the importance of accurate reporting and work to challenge negative items that may be impacting your creditworthiness. United Credit Solution appears to focus on providing personalized support to each client, guiding them through the steps necessary to achieve their credit goals. Their online presence suggests a commitment to transparency, outlining the various stages involved in credit repair and offering resources to educate consumers about their rights and options. While the specific pricing structure isn't readily apparent on the homepage, they encourage potential clients to contact them for a free consultation to discuss their individual needs and receive a tailored plan. It's important to remember that credit repair is a process that takes time and consistent effort. United Credit Solution stresses the significance of actively participating in the process and maintaining healthy financial habits to achieve long-term improvement. If you're considering utilizing a credit repair service, researching various companies and comparing their offerings is crucial. Be sure to thoroughly examine the services provided, associated costs, and client testimonials before making a decision. Remember, improving your credit score is a journey, and finding the right partner can make all the difference. Be sure to visit their website, www.unitedcreditsolution.com, for more detailed information and consider scheduling a free consultation to determine if United Credit Solution is the right fit for your needs. They also appear to highlight the educational aspect of their service, empowering clients with the knowledge to manage their credit effectively in the future. This proactive approach can be beneficial for individuals seeking not only to repair their credit but also to develop sustainable financial practices moving forward. Finally, always conduct your own research and due diligence before engaging any financial service provider.